I've just attended the Hot Stones face-to-face workshop, and what I loved about it was the receiving and the giving of a treatment within the class, and seeing it done in real time is what I loved experiencing. I already do Hot Stones, but in a relaxation style, and Christine's course is Remedial Hot Stones, and so I wanted the detail and how to treat specific conditions and not just the surface relaxation stuff, which is also nice. My name's Beck, and my business name is Rebecca Lee Remedial Therapy. But yeah, I just wanted more detail and to learn how to clean my stones in a more efficient way, and just like to reignite the spark between me and my stones. Yeah, and Christine, you know, she goes into so much detail with everything. Yeah, the detail and the connection. And I attended the gentle scar therapy workshop, and what I loved about it was being in a room full of students and seeing some really great scars to work on, and being able to work on those scars, and seeing the changes in our volunteers that volunteered their scars to us for the day, and the joy in their face afterwards. And also just like being in the room with Christine, you know, like having her kind of hold my hand and giving any pointers. So yeah, the connection. Yeah, you guys are just so empowering, you know, like I've come from a therapist charging $60 an hour to a therapist now charging $170 an hour, and you guys have, yeah, empowered me and helped me step into my power, and I feel more confident. Yeah, and there's so much love, you know, in our group.